Cavern Cascade is at the head of a little section of gorge. Indeed, most sections of the glen have waterfalls at their upper ends, because waterfalls have cut them in the first place. There once may have been a pothole at the base of Cavern Cascade, being drilled by the force of the waterfall, swirling stones, gravel, and sand. If so, the downstream rim of the pothole eroded away long ago. Indeed, Cavern Cascade may have been located back at the staircase where Minnehaha Falls is today, and it may have drilled successive potholes back into the hill, leaving narrow cavern gorge behind. This is the way most of Watkins Glen has been formed, by the force of water using stones and grit to drill potholes in the bedrock over thousands of years. Our national award-winning book, A Walk Through Watkins Glen, Water, Sculpture, and Stone, will open the secrets and display the beauty of the Finger Lakes' oldest and most popular state park. Find out more at our website at owlgorge.com.